Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going over a major new rule in Kuwait that affects thousands of expatriate workers. Starting July 1, 2025, all expats working in the private sector, Article 18 visa holders, must apply for an exit permit before leaving the country. Checkmark. What is the exit permit? Kuwait's Public Authority of Manpower has made it mandatory to get approval before traveling abroad, even for vacations or emergencies. Without the exit permit, you may not be allowed to leave Kuwait at the airport. Cell phone with arrow. How to apply for an exit permit. Step by step. Step 1. Open Sahel app. Open the Sahel app on your mobile phone. Choose your language, English or Arabic. Step Keycap 2. Go to Services. Tap on Services at the bottom of the screen. Step Keycap 3. Select Public Authority of Manpower, PAM. Scroll through the list and choose Public Authority of Manpower. Step Keycap 4. Tap on Expatriate Labor Services. Then select Exit Permit, or Issuing Exit Permit. Step Keycap 5. Fill in your travel details. Now enter your departure date, return date, any other required info. Once complete, tap Submit. Step Keycap 6. Employer approval. Your request is automatically sent to your sponsor or employer. They must log into the Sahel portal or Sahel business app to approve it. Step Keycap 7. Download or show your permit. Once approved, your exit permit will appear in the Sahel app. You can download it as a PDF or just show it at immigration on your phone. Warning: important rules to remember. Apply at least 24 hours and up to 7 days before your travel date. The permit is valid for one exit only. You can apply for multiple permits per year. Employer approval is required each time. I'm red exclamation mark. What if my employer delays or refuses? If your employer refuses or delays approval unfairly, you can file a complaint with the Public Authority for Manpower. But make sure you apply early to avoid last-minute stress. Airplane final tip. More than 20,000 expats have already used the Sahel app to get their exit permits. Be prepared, apply early, and make sure your employer approves it on time.